guys, it's Khristina from Redefine Creative, and I am back with another unboxing video. So I'm sorry for all of the enabling going on, but there's definitely a bunch of creating coming because I have all this new great stuff to play with. So I was fortunate enough to purchase one of the Pink Fresh Studio warehouse boxes, and so I wanted to go through and just show you what I received in my box. By the sounds, the boxes that are floating around out there are kind of a little bit different. Some of them sound similar and then some are different. So I did want to give you just a peek at the things that I received, and I'm super happy with my kit or my box of stuff. So let's jump right in. All right, so I have the chipboard, and this is from A Case of the Blahs. And so 2 sheets full of chipboard that go along with this particular collection. And I did receive, let me see, I should have totally organized this, but I wanted to kind of try and keep it together here a little bit. So I'm just going to talk and, you know, make a mess and move things around because I did get a lot of pieces of this particular collection. And that is totally good with me because I have this collection and I have used a lot of it because it is perfect for boy pages. So I've used up a bunch of it already, so I'm actually really happy to kind of replenish it again. All right, so I have the Cardstock Stickers. There are 251 stickers on here, you guys. 251. All right, so I've got all kinds of circles, tags, labels, some really cool arrows, an alphabet, more circles and phrases. Super, super fun. I love this collection. I don't know about you guys, but I really liked this collection. All right, I also have the Puffy Alpha stickers. It's a really great font, black, super usable. Doesn't matter how many packages I have of these, I will use them. Are you with me? Black alphabets. Like, hey, you can use those no matter what. All right, I also have the entire Ephemera Pack, which makes me super happy because I've used most of my Ephemera Pack already. So there are all kinds, let me see, 58 pieces. Super, super, super cute. This Wild Child one could go on like every single one of Ty's pages. Everyone, all of them. Or this one that says, "Is it Friday yet?" That could go on every single one of Natty and Parker's pages. It's true. So there's some really, really great ephemera in here, especially if you have boys or older kids. All right, I also have the fabric die cuts that go along with this set, and I also really, really love these, so they are super fun. These things are tough, but we get through it. Always me, never perfect, the real me, time out, no apologies. Really, really great phrases on those. And if I skip around, I did get in my paper portion here, I got the entire set of A Case of the Blahs. So 16 double-sided papers. This is that whole collection that goes with that ephemera that I just showed you. I'm not going to flip through that because I know you have seen it before. But I am super excited to have this entire collection pack with all of these embellishments back to keep creating with and work with some more. So that is the first part of what came inside my kit. Or my box, I should say. All right, I also got, some of these are kind of random. Let me separate you out a little bit here, and then I'll show you what I have. All of which I am super excited about. That one, these, those, there, here. Where's my stuff from the mix? There it is. Okay. So, from Boys Fort, I got the alphabet pack. So there are 420 pieces in this, but it is basically 3 colors. So tan, blue, and then green. And I can always use more alphas, especially little block alphas. So that's great. I love it. And then also from Boys Fort, I got the screen printed wood stickers. And I did not have these before, so I'm definitely going to be able to add this into my Boys Fort stuff. Rad and Awesome, Be Bold. I may be wrong, but I doubt it. That is Parker right there. We don't need any directions. That would be Ty. It's true. All right, so those are going to be super fun. I also have these silver and gold glitter enamel dots. So those will be really great for holiday things that are coming up. So that's going to go into my holiday stuff. All right, I also have a couple pieces from the mix. So I got the Stitch Stars and the epoxy stickers, both of which look super fun. I haven't played with very much from this mix collection. The only thing I've played with, I think, really is the Puffy sticker stars and hearts. So I'm excited for these little Stitch Stars. And then always, I love their epoxy stickers. So those are cute too. All right, then I have from BU, I have the 6x6 paper pad, which I have showed you before, so I'm not going to open that up and show you. But it is the full 6x6 paper pad. And then I also have the mini leather tags, and I did not get these before, so I'm excited to play around with these. There's a whole ton of them. They're all different sizes. Look how cute they even look all lined up, like across the top of a page or across the top of a traveler's notebook page. That would be really, really cute. And there is a bunch of paper in here from BU too, but we'll get to that when we get there. All right, then I also got some pieces from Let Your Heart Decide. So I got the Puffy sticker alphabets in the really bright, fun colors. I also got the Puffy stickers. So there's 56 of those. So we have all kinds of phrases and icons, and then a bunch of phrase stickers down at the bottom. And then I have the layered stickers. So there's 8 of those that have kind of the dimension to them. So they're layered up on some foam adhesive to give them dimension already, so you don't have to do that part yourself. And then I'm actually really, really excited about the fact that I got the stamps that go with this set, because I did not have the stamps. So I have some of this collection that I can definitely mix in, but I did not have the stamps. And so I love these circles, love always on my heart, these cute little banners, some kind of leaves, a new chapter, today's narrative, seek treasure amid ruins. That's cool. Really fun stamp set. All right, I also got from Live More, this is the foil chipboard stickers. And so they do have some foil detail to them. There are 19 of them, it looks like. So phrases, circles, some squares, and more of a pastel color palette. And then from December Days, which was the holiday collection last year, I got the Chipboard Alphas. And so it's kind of a like reddish orange color with some gold foiling through it, which is kind of different and pretty. I don't know that I'll use this for holiday, but I will definitely use it for boy. This would actually match really well with the Case of the Blahs set too, so I could always do that. All right, then I also got this tape, and it is like a super bright blue glitter. You guys see that glitter detail? So super, super royal bright blue glitter tape. So that will be interesting to use, especially since we're glittering all the things in the Rediscover Your Stash group this month. And then I also got the 2 exclusive things that came with this particular box. So it's a set of Puffy stickers and a set of ephemera that was designed just for this particular sale. So it's got frames, labels, banners, hearts, triangles. And then the Ephemera Pack has all kinds of florals, phrases, more tags, more labels, super cute icons, and a really great color scheme. It reminds me of one of the older Paige Evans lines. Turn the Page, I think was the name of it. It reminds me a lot of that, so I bet you I could mix these with that collection. All right, and then I have some more paper. So I'm going to go through this pretty quickly because I know we've talked about these collections before. So I have, this one is from BU. This is also from BU. I'm not going to talk a whole lot about them. If you have questions, just leave me a message. Also from BU with the fronds. And then a good geometric. This one is the dark leaves and fronds on the background. And then the black and white. Still from BU, guys. So the tan kind of tiled geometric. Then this really bright kind of splash of all the colors. They look a little bit like gemstones on the back. We have the kind of coral and pink florals and fronds and leaves on this one. And then just a black with white circles on the back. This one is one of the cut aparts, and there were lots of cool layouts floating around using this particular paper. But I personally love this side. So it's all stitched lines in all different colors. So we've got the pinks, the blues, the greens, everything that matches this collection. This was another super popular pattern paper in this collection, and I haven't played with it yet, so I'm definitely going to do that while I am working with this warehouse box. Then we've got a really good basic polka dot on the back. All right, this one is from Simple and Sweet. So all different kinds of labels and little phrases. And then I love this one on the back. It's this kind of mint green color with starts with a heart in the middle and then goes all the way out. So that's going to be super fun to play with. This one is from Let Your Heart Decide. So it's got the green kind of boxes on one side and then the mustard and yellow on the other side. We've got the stacks of books and then kind of the pink and peach on the back. A bunch of the icons from Let Your Heart Decide. And then this fun geometric pattern on the back. And then I have two specialties. This one is from Indigo Hills, which is just a gold foil vellum. So that's super fun. I didn't have that one before. And then this one is from Live More, and this is foiled vellum again. It's called Journey. It's got that mint color with some foil detail, and it's also vellum. So I feel like with all of that stuff, I feel like I got a pretty good assortment of things and a really great deal on picking up the Pink Fresh Studio box. So if you are someone who loves Pink Fresh, I would definitely recommend picking up their warehouse box. I am not on their design team. I'm not an affiliate for them, nothing like that. Just something that I purchased that I wanted to share with you. And I will hopefully be back really soon with some layouts using all of these fun Pink Fresh Studio goodies. Until then, I'll see you later.